Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
What is the mansion tax in NYS? A step-by-step legal guide. When buying high-end real estate in New York State, particularly in New York City, one cost that surprises many buyers is the mansion tax. While it sounds like a luxury levy for the ultra-rich, this tax can apply to more modest homes as well due to rising property values. At Figeroux Associates, we help buyers understand and navigate this important component of the closing costs in real estate transactions. This article provides a step-by-step breakdown of what the mansion tax is, how it's calculated, who pays it, and what legal considerations come into play. Step 1. What is the mansion tax? The mansion tax is a real estate transfer tax imposed on residential properties sold for $1 million or more in New York State. It was introduced in 1989 to generate additional state revenue from luxury real estate purchases. But in today's market, especially in NYC, $1 million may buy a modest apartment, not necessarily a mansion. Step 2. Who pays the mansion tax? By default, the buyer pays the mansion tax at the time of closing. This is a one-time payment separate from the down payment, closing costs, or transfer taxes. While it's possible to negotiate with the seller to cover the tax as part of the purchase deal, this is rare and must be specifically outlined in the contract of sale. Step 3. When does the mansion tax apply? The tax applies when the property is residential, including houses, condominiums, cooperative apartments, townhouses. The purchase price is $1 million or more. The property is located in New York State. Commercial or multi-unit buildings that are not residential are exempt from the mansion tax. Step 4. Mansion tax rates, updated as of 2019. In 2019, New York State updated the mansion tax structure to make it progressive, with higher rates for more expensive properties. Purchase price range. Mansion tax rate. $1 million to $1,999,999. 1%. $2 million to $2,999,999. 1.25%. $3 million to $4,999,999. 1.50%. $5 million to $9,999,999. 2.25%. $10 million to $14,999,999. 3.25%. $15 million to $19,999,999. 3.50%. $20 million to $24,009,999. 3.75%. $25 million or more. 3.90%. Example, if you purchase a condo for $2.5 million, you'll owe a 1.25% mansion tax, or $31,250. Step 5. How is the tax paid? The mansion tax must be paid at closing and is typically handled by your real estate attorney, your title company. It is submitted to the New York State Department of Taxation and Finance via Form TP 584 and the Real Estate Transfer Tax Return Form TP 584.1. At Figeroux Associates, we ensure all tax forms are properly prepared and submitted to avoid penalties or delays in closing. Step 6. Can the tax be financed? In most cases, the mansion tax cannot be financed as part of your mortgage. This means the full amount must be paid in cash, delivered at closing. We help our clients factor this cost into their total closing funds to ensure they are financially prepared. Step 7. Are there any exemptions? While rare, exemptions can include certain government entities, some nonprofit organizations, transfers between spouses or within a family trust. However, typical buyers of residential real estate are not exempt, and attempts to avoid the tax through creative structuring can raise legal red flags. We provide guidance on exemptions, trusts, and estate-related transfers to ensure compliance with New York state law. Step 8. How does it affect co-op purchases? In cooperative apartment transactions, the mansion tax applies to the purchase price of the shares and proprietary lease. Since co-op deals are not technically real property transfers, they require special handling of forms and disclosures. Our attorneys are well-versed in co-op laws and help clients apply the mansion tax correctly. Step 9. Legal risks and errors to avoid. Failure to pay the mansion tax on time can result in interest and penalties, delayed deed recording, legal disputes with tax authorities. Additionally, underreporting the purchase price to avoid the tax is illegal and can lead to fraud charges. We review contracts, closing statements, and tax documents to ensure accuracy, legality, and protection for our clients. Step 10. Plan ahead with legal counsel. Buyers of million-dollar-plus properties in New York must understand their mansion tax liability, budget for the additional closing cost, ensure proper payment and documentation. At Figeroux Associates, we provide legal advice tailored to high-value property purchases, ensuring you're financially and legally prepared to close with confidence. Conclusion. The mansion tax is an important and sometimes unexpected part of purchasing real estate in New York. While it adds a significant cost, proper planning and legal support can ensure that you meet your obligations and protect your investment. Whether you're buying a luxury condo, a Brooklyn brownstone, or a Manhattan co-op, Figeroux Associates will guide you through every tax and legal requirement, including the mansion tax. Your partner in real estate law. From contract to closing, schedule a consultation today. 26 Court Street, Suite 701, Brooklyn, New York, 11242. www.askthelawyer.us 8557-68845. Text 718-986-4362.
Buying a home in New York over $1 million. You'll likely owe the mansion tax, a state tax that could add thousands to your closing costs. At Figeroux Associates, we help you understand, calculate, and properly pay the mansion tax, so you're not caught off guard at the closing table. From contract review to tax compliance, we protect your money and your peace of mind. Call 855-768-8845. Text 718-986-4362. Visit askthelawyer.us. Figeroux Associates. Real estate law done right.